Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Healthy and Tasty Options. Here I am with my new recipe flourless pancakes, naans and bites. It's low calorie, high protein, gluten free and very tasty as well. Very soft, fluffy, you can have them alone or can enjoy with curries as an alternative for roti or naans. Could you believe these are all made out of tofu with egg and eggless? Usually many people don't like tofu as it's not much familiar, but it's highly nutritious, vegan and gluten free. You must try this recipe, it tastes delicious like an omelette. Coming to portion size and nutrition, I'm going to use 4 ounces of tofu with firmness 4. You can make out easily how this recipe is very healthy and nutritious. The prime ingredient tofu, also known as the bean curd, it's made from condensed soya milk. It provides almost same benefits as soya beans. Let's get started. This box is of 16 ounce tofu with firmness number 4. Higher the firmness, higher the calories and protein. For this recipe, 3, 4, 5 firmness works the best. Tofu is usually preserved in water, so wash tofu 1 to 2 times and squeeze out excess water. Wrap it in a paper towel or napkin and keep it aside for few minutes so that excess moisture is absorbed. Now cut the tofu into 4 parts. I'm going to use only 1 cube, which is 4 ounce. Wrap the rest of the tofu in paper towel and keep it in a zipper bag or box. Or you can store it in a box with water. I prefer the first way as there is no need to dry out again. It's ready to use. It stays fresh for a week at least. Take 4 ounces of tofu, chopped into pieces. In a blender jar, add tofu, 1 teaspoon of water and blend. Crack an egg. Add a half a teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of salt and blend it to a smooth paste. Let's prepare eggless tofu. It is the same but needs little more water and less salt as there is no egg. The batter quantity will be less compared to that of tofu with egg. Let's make tofu bites. Add a drop of oil in each egg mold. Add a teaspoon of batter. Give it a shake to level up evenly. In an air fryer basket, keep the rack at the bottom as it's easy to take out the mold. Keep the mold on top and air fry at 370 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. The bites got fluffy. Flip the bites and air fry again at 370 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. The tofu bites are well cooked from inside and outside. You can as well try bites with this kind of pan on stove top. Let's make tofu naans. In a pizza pan, add little butter or oil and spread with brush. Pour half of batter. Shake it gently. Air fry process is all same. Air fry at 370 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Flip in the middle and again air fry at 370 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Tofu naans look the same like omelette and taste the same too. It's hard to know that it's made with tofu. Let's make tofu pancakes. Air frying process is the same. Comparatively, pan-fried tofu pancakes retain the shape nicely and takes less time to cook. Here is the pan fried method. You can make pancakes and naans on stovetop. Heat the pan. Add a little butter or oil. Now place the batter. Cover with lid and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Flip the pancakes. Cover with lid and cook for another 2 minutes. Pan fried tofu pancakes are ready within 4 minutes. Perfect in shape. Eggless tofu pancakes need the same cooking process. These are little delicate as there is no egg for binding. Need to flip gently. Hope you enjoy making tofu recipe with different shapes and textures. Stay tuned for more healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.